Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video, I'm going to unbox and review a case I've just purchased for the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. This is a TOCOL case, and those of you who watch the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel regularly will know that we've already unboxed and reviewed a case from the same brand for the iPhone 17. Here it is in its bright green color. So let's see what the TOCOL case for the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL is like. Packaging is pretty simple. It's got the TOCOL branding on it. There's a little plastic bit that keeps the box closed and sealed. I'm just going to pull that off. And then once that's off, I should be able to take the case out of the box. And interesting, we've got instructions on the plastic bag that contains the case itself. It suggests that we put the case in with the buttons first or second, we'll find out in a moment, and then push it down. And then how to take the case off. Ooh, there's also a little warranty card. They will have, there's no return needed for damage during shipping, wrong or missing item doesn't work or fit properly, and the warranty from TOCOL for the case. Great, let's pop my phone in. I'm going to go buttons first, and we have it, there we have it. So, the visor on the Pixel 11 Pro XL looks bigger to me, or maybe it's just this case compared to the visor on the Pixel 10 Pro XL. It's just a slightly different industrial design. I actually prefer this. This is really quite cool. But the cutout in the TOCOL case for the visor is quite significant, so it doesn't offer some additional protection. There's a slight lip in terms of the depth from the case to the visor, but it doesn't offer any additional protection as other cases I've had for these devices. That's for great. It's essentially minimizes the visor or the camera visor bump at the back of the device. And as you can see, it has the magnet circle for Qi 2 accessories or MagSafe accessories. Any of those clever magnetic things are there and available to work. So let's see what my Clicks power keyboard, how that looks and fits. It works great. It connects. There you go. It also works in landscape, LG wing style. So yeah, oh, that's got a good grip on it, as in I can't get it off that easily. So that's good. We know the magnets work. It's good for MagSafe accessories, Qi 2 wireless accessories, and for, in many cases, accidentally picking up your SIM ejector tool. But I'll put that down for now. The sides of the case are made out of a relatively soft TPU. The translucent part of the case is a slightly more hard plastic. At the top, there's just a little pinhole for a microphone, for the microphone that goes there. Nothing on the left-hand side. At the bottom, we have the appropriate cutouts for, in this case, the USB-C for power and data, the speakers, and on the right-hand side, we have extended power button and volume rocker. So let's just make sure that that works as expected. If I tap on the power button, it works well. There's no, in this case, there's no stickiness, and the same with the volume rocker. That works well. It's pretty responsive, and you get that clickiness from the buttons through the case. Okay, so in terms of the lip along the edges, looks as if you've got about 0.5 millimeter, maybe almost a full millimeter. There's no extra cushioning or casing on the corners, but this should work well with a screen protector. I'll be able to confirm that tomorrow once I've actually had a screen protector installed, but it looks as if this case will do a good job. So I can say I'm quite happy with this case. It feels solid, it fits snugly without having any issues. The buttons all work. My only concern here is that your camera visor is a bit unprotected. I would like to see a bit more protection there, as I've seen in this case that we unboxed and reviewed on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. You see that it has that extra coolness there. So I think it's a good case. If you can get it for under £10 sterling, it's a bargain. Go for it. But keep an eye on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. We will be covering more cases and accessories for the Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. And as usual, if you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, please do leave us a comment in the section below. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.